Well, marketing is undoubtedly one of the most daunting challenges that I think practices face. How do you decide what to spend money on? Where do I, spend my time and energy for marketing? What's right for my practice? So it definitely is a challenge for practices. But half the battle is the planning. And I find that most practices really don't spend enough time in planning. If they will spend formal time with comprehensive planning, then that helps drive the execution, which is the other half of the battle in marketing. But for the planning process, the first thing I recommend is that practices engage in strategic planning. And part of strategic planning typically involves doing a SWOT analysis, which stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And when you do the SWOT analysis, what the practice should be looking at is, what are the marketing opportunities? What does this SWOT analysis tell me? Otherwise, it's just an exercise on paper. So if we look at, for example, maybe the leadership team realizes in the SWOT analysis that client service is a weakness, then we can build marketing objectives around improving client service. For example, if we look at the opportunities and threats of the practice, that involves more of an external focus. What does the community need? What do our clients want? What do pets need? And we can then focus marketing opportunities on driving service utilization, increasing new client numbers in that area. So SWOT analysis would be number one on the planning. The second really significant thing in terms of planning is to look at data, financial data and just practice data, and say, what does that tell us? So for example, looking at the number of new clients per month, doctor productivity, average client transaction, and look not only what are those numbers now, but what is the trend? Are those numbers stagnant? Are they going up? And what I really like practices to look at is profit centers. So how much dentistry revenue do we have? How much laboratory testing revenue do we have? What are our cat visits? We know that cats are underserved. So how much work are we doing? How much service utilization do we have for cats in our practice? And then tailor and develop marketing initiatives around that data. So if the practice is doing great in dentistry, well, let's keep doing that. But if we're not doing well in dentistry, that would be a good area to promote that service, let clients know about it, and then build marketing objectives around that. So the planning process with strategic planning and looking at the actual financial reports within the practice and practice software reports is really the key, and then the execution will be a lot more successful.